Okay, our final speaker before lunch is Stefanie Reichelt, who is head of the light microscopy facility in Cancer Research UK here in Cambridge. And she will talk to us about a very exciting project she has in setting up a technology platform here in Cambridge.
Thank you very much. I think these events, when we all come together, we're looking at the mathematics, and I think I'm quite pleased to be part of these networks, and I think what these networks do, I think they're much more than bringing mathematicians together. They're actually about bringing people from many, many different disciplines together. And I think if you are, well, especially if you're from Cambridge, you know that bringing so many people across schools and disciplines together and speak about their work is something quite extraordinary. I know people are here also from not Cambridge, from other cities and other places, and actually bringing us all in here to come together and actually exchanging our knowledge on technology as well. I think this is quite extraordinary. So I've been obviously part of this, and I'm very pleased. I'm head of light microscopy that I can make use of this. But my ambition is also to look at, because what we have been seeing, all the images come from very expensive equipment, or most of them. They will come from MRI scanners, PET scanners, microscopes, and all of those cost actually a lot of money, are placed with specialists. And what I would try to do is in Cambridge to kind of bring these people together and kind of see that if we can maybe form a network for Cambridge technology platforms, which is also an ambition coming from imaging, in that imaging now connects with everything. I mean, we have single-cell transcriptomics, we have proteomics coming together with imaging, we have flow cytometry doing imaging. Everything can come together, but you need to know the gold standards in the different technology. You need to know what's available in the other technologies, and there will be technologies which are developed, and there will be developments which kind of push the boundaries far beyond the commercial systems. But actually, I think bringing this together in a way where we can have access to the skills and knowledge is extremely important. And I think the math networks do this very well. I have started this, so my ambition is, and my pitch is, I want to launch this network on the 24th of May in Cambridge. I'm terrified of it, but I have support. Some of it is financially, some of it is morally, and some of it is just sympathy from different people in Cambridge. So I guess my pitch is also, well, if you have money, please give me money. But most of you will probably not have money, but give me some time, and give these people who are working with me on this network, give them your time as well, and take this a bit serious and be part of this. The idea is that, well, we do want to showcase the technologies which are there. We want to make people aware where they are, and we want to make sure we have actually training courses and also training around the technology which is existing. A lot of it is already existing in the different disciplines, but actually making sure we sometimes cross the disciplines like it is done with math, I think is extremely important. So I have a website set up now with colleagues about the different techniques, and this should be interesting for people in Cambridge, but also maybe for others. I mean, coming from outside, that should be not taking you, I mean, I think it should be possible to do this together. There will be a launch on the 24th of May, and if you are a Cambridge scientist or researcher, medical fellow, anything, student, or even from outside interested, then the event will be at the Cancer Research Cambridge Institute. And I have put the website here as a preliminary treat for you if you want to have a look at this. Currently there is a login and a password, but it's very simple also, I think, to remember, and you could contact me. Yeah, and that is in a way my pitch, really, what I wanted to do, because I'm hoping that through, I mean, I'm coming from imaging, but looking at how many people really connect with their technologies and how many people have questions and want to bring in projects, I think this could be really rewarding. So the event will have people speaking, and I mean, this is how the ambition would be, to kind of, that you go to this contact website, and we can fill, at least for Cambridge, this a little bit more, that we know where things are if people do want to come together. I mean, that's my pitch really to you, and as I said, if you feel you have money to give me, then I would be very happy, but I don't think that is the kind of pitch here. So.
Thank you very much, Steffi. Thank you.